CQ POTA, your call sign CQ POTA, CQ POTA.
Yeah.
So all you got to do is just hit the button. You don't have to keep saying it.
Nice, nice.
Which is really nice.
Absolutely.
Right, Jim?
Exactly.
Yeah, we played with Jim's 891 a couple of times, and we decided that's what we wanted to do. Portable operation, parks on the air or whatever, mainly because of the record feature.
Yeah. I can't hit that guy. I think he's in Spain.
Here you go.
Bye-bye, my friend.
Get ready, we're gonna hunt you down. Thanks for the activation. 5-9 both ways.
I'm on 14316 right now. You ready for
Oh, very good. Yep, appreciate the contact. We'll probably be around here until, I don't know, maybe 1 o'clock Central. So,
you guys want your micro? Do you guys want me to do the call signs, or?
Yeah, go for it.
Can I get yours? KC3IC, right?
Yeah, KB3IC.
Oh, KB3IC. What's this? Park to park. Missed it.
Kilo Golf. Kilo Golf. Yeah, copy November 5, Kilo Golf. Your signal took a dive. No, I think it's still taking a dive. Sure, Whiskey 0 Alpha Romeo Charlie.
Kilo Charlie 3, Victor, Papa Bravo, park to park. Must not be getting him. He's real in the noise.
Whiskey Foxtrot, you're light. You're pretty light here into the highway. 5-5. We are.
There's one 14305 also.
Which one is that one? 14 what? 305. Oh, they're close to the voters.
This is Kilo Juliet 5 Charlie India Kilo. I got you at a 5858 and
Yeah, that's
part number 2368.
5-9.
Yes, I appreciate it.
Oh. I should have went there.
Kilo Charlie Station.
I was waiting for them to Kilo Z.
Kilo Charlie 0 Victor November. I got you at a 5555 in the park, 2368. USF, stand by for the second operator. Kilo India 5, Yankee, Kilo Golf. Roger, you're 5.
Good, man.
Roger, got you 5-7 in Lima Alpha, part number 2368.
Kilo Charlie 3, Victor, Papa Bravo, park to park. That was bad.
Say that whiskey again.
It's not even hearing my stunner there.
Lulu Charlie, K1WZC, QSL. K1W, I got that. Kilo 1 Whiskey, Lulu Charlie, K1WZC. K1W Zulu Charlie.
This is Park US 5463.
Tell me you got 2 up.
Quebec 4 Echo Zulu November Kilo. Quebec 4 Echo Zulu November QSL.
QSL.
Tell me you got multiple operators.
We have multiple operators here. If you could stand by, please.
I need your call sign and park, please.
Call sign is Whiskey 3 Alpha Charlie Hotel. Park is US 5463.
QSL.
QSL. Buchanan State Forest, Pennsylvania.
Signal report.
5-2.
5-2. 5-2.
What's his part?
5-1.
5-1.
US 8337. US 8337 QSL.
8337.
QSL.
QSL, stand by for second operator.
Copy.
Kilo Charlie 3, Romeo Tango Oscar. Kilo Charlie 3, Romeo Tango Oscar. QSL.
Kilo Charlie 3 Romeo Tango Oscar QSL.
QSL, same part, same 5-2 here.
Part number again?
Make sure to tell them next stop.
US 5463. US 5463. QSL.
Copy. You are a 5-1 into 8337. 8337 QSL.
QSL, I got another operator here for you.
Copy that.
Kilo Charlie 3, Victor Papa Bravo.
Kilo Charlie 3 Victor Papa Bravo QSL.
QSL, and stand by for the next operator.
Kilo Bravo 3, India Charlie United.
What was that again?
Kilo Bravo 3, Intensive Care Unit, ICU.
This is difficult.
I know, you hear the good voice.
Every one of those season times, brother. I'm a disabled vet. That's
So we're going to distinguish between
5-1,
HS and
5-1, and 2 8337 QSL.
QSL. You're about 5-1, 5-2 here into US 5463.
Thank you for that. Appreciate you.
Thank you too. 7-3s, good luck.
Thank you. Good luck on your activation. I've got 3 operators scheduled. Is that correct?
4.
It would be 4. Can I give her my call sign?
Okay.
No,
I
I
have
didn't give him
Whiskey
mine. I
3
used the
Alpha
phone.
Charlie Hotel, Kilo Charlie 3 Romeo Tango Oscar, Kilo Bravo 3 India Charlie uniform. QSL.
And Caleb. KC3 VPB.
KC3
VPB.
VPB.
B.
Victor Papa Bravo.
Victor Papa Bravo.
We didn't.
Thought I had it in there. I don't know what happened to it.
He did.
I'm actually going to give you one more because I used our club call sign. So Kilo Charlie 3 Whiskey Hotel Foxtrot.
But you're, oh, that is, okay, you're fine. Never mind.
Yeah, he's fine.
Hold on. What's the part number again?
US 5463.
Aroma could get in there too.
Might as well, yeah.
She's like,
Got him all confused. So.
For some reason, this thing's not working right. I'm getting aggravated. Victor Charlie 3. Victor Charlie 3. What's the call sign again?
Kilo Charlie 3, Victor Papa Bravo.
Kilo Charlie 3 Victor Papa Bravo was the previous. And Kilo Charlie 3 Whiskey Hotel Foxtrot was the last.
Copy. Kilo Charlie 3 Whiskey Hotel Foxtrot.
QSL.
QSL.
Alright, I have Kilo Charlie 3 Romeo Tango Oscar, Whiskey 3 Alpha Charlie Hotel, Kilo Bravo 3 India Charlie uniform, and Kilo Charlie 3 Victor Papa Bravo, and Kilo Charlie 3 Whiskey Hotel Foxtrot. QSL?
QSL, you got him.
I appreciate that. Just need to get the park number in this one, and we're done.
The park number again is US 5463.
activation.
Thanks for that.
Good luck.
Good luck in 73.
That's like
Thank you, 73. I should have 5 call signs total, correct?
Affirmative.
That would be correct.
Alright, just making sure. My coffee's not kicked in yet.